Well, if I look out my window, it's freezing cold out there, so I'm going to stay in the ball and cook a hearty winter warming soup using my pressure cooker. I'm going to use these vegetables here. Obviously you can use whatever vegetables you like, but I've got a fair mixture here. But I really should say one thing: you must use some onions, carrot and celery. After using those three, you can use whatever you want. Well, I'm going to use some garlic, not all of this obviously, and some swede, parsnip, leek and garden peas. I'm going to use for seasoning, I've got some already ground black pepper here, and I'm going to use some salt and Worcestershire sauce. I've got a stock pot, some soy sauce, I use that, and I mentioned the salt, but here it is, it's sea salt. We bought this in France. So that's it, I think I've said everything. So I prepare all these vegetables and then it's off we go to the cooker. So here we have our pressure cooker, and in that, first of all, I'm going to put a drop of cooking oil, just a little bit, in the bottom there. Put on the heat. Then we can go in with, I've got here the garlic, onions that I've cut up to be quite small chunks really, and the leek. We'll pop that in first. And cook this for about 5 or 10 minutes just to soften it up a bit. So these have softened up quite nicely now, as you can see. Now we can go in with, firstly, the celery. Doesn't really matter which way round you do it. Then in with the swede, parsnip and carrot. In that goes. Then in with frozen peas. Put those in. And 1 pint of vegetable stock. Well, that's noisy. And just a pint of plain water. We're going to lose some of this while it's cooking. A dash of Worcestershire sauce, in that goes. And of course, I love this stuff, some dark soy sauce, just a bit. Some ground black pepper. A hefty pinch of that. And then of course some sea salt, not too much, because you'll find that the stock's quite salty anyway. That's it, let's make sure we've got everything. Then on with the lid. And we can cook away for about 10 minutes. Once it's come to this boiling point and the steam's coming out, yeah, about 10 minutes. And that'll be done. We'll have a lovely soup. Warm us up on these winter days. See you in a bit. Well, after 10 minutes, this is what we have. So all we do now is pop it into a food processor, blend it up just a little bit, try and get rid of the lumps if possible, and then we have our soup. Time to plate up and then have a taste test. Well, that soup really packs some flavour. Just the job when it's so cold and wintry outside. I'm going to stay indoors and drink this for the rest of the day. No, really, thank you so much everybody for watching this latest video. Please subscribe, like and share, that would be great. And it's bye for now. See you next time.